we're at the point where the U.S. economy has basically suffered a massive heart attack, and we need, and the size of it is so huge that you need government and Federal Reserve action to help build this monetary and fiscal bridge to really help keep the patient from, where we are today in the middle of a heart attack, where things are literally stopping from an economic perspective, to where we can get things normalized and flowing again. And from the from the government side, yes, $2 trillion sounds like a lot. But, we really have to target the companies and the workers that are dislocated by what has happened. And so when you say $2 trillion is a lot, it's really trying to plug a similar-sized hole or contraction that we're going to see from the stoppage in work here.
And so when you're talking about making sure that the money is allocated in the right places and that $2 trillion may just be filling a hole, do you really need to see the details of this bill to exactly see who's going to get the relief to give you more confidence then?
Well, we know it's going to target workers, which are going to be massively affected. Tomorrow we're going to receive the jobless, the weekly jobless claims number. Typically, that's a number that's in the 200,000s, or that's where it's been. We could see that number in the millions. So, it's happening so rapidly. The pace of, just a month or two ago, things were fine. So given how fast this is happening, one, you definitely need to target, workers. And you look at companies. You have, you look at the leisure business, hotels. Your occupancy's gone from, 80, 90% to zero. So we're talking about hundreds of billions of dollar, industries that are literally shut down. So, it's, again, we'll want to see the details, but, looking at how they're targeting, small business loans, trying to, again, bridge from here to there, because we know, once we get to there, however long it takes, 3 months, 6 months,
right.
9 months, that's going to be, we need companies to be able to stay in business so that they still exist there.
Very quickly before we let you go, do you have any actionable advice for our viewers that are tuning in, seeing, hey, we might have another bounce today? Is it time to get in here before I miss a move higher? Or are you not ready to wade into this water yet?
No, we think what we're seeing from markets is very positive. We would be cautious chasing. Especially on the equity side, you're up 10% in one day. This is not over yet. This is not going to be a one-way trade. So clearly things are on the for sale rack, but we would just be cautious chasing from here.